If you're looking for information on the UPDF Lifetime deal and review, you've come to the right place. The UPDF Lifetime deal was launched on AppSumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the UPDF Lifetime deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. UPDF Lifetime deal is an all-in-one PDF solution that allows you to view, edit, annotate, convert, protect, organize, crop, and share PDF files effortlessly. It is compatible with Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android systems. Product overview. With UPDF, you can add or delete texts and edit the text font, color, and size. Moreover, you can add, delete, crop, rotate, replace, and extract images as well as links, watermarks, and backgrounds in PDF documents. It is also available to protect your PDF documents by adding an open password and permission password for restricting access to the document. You can also make annotations on PDF with many annotation tools such as highlight, underline, strikeout, shapes, sticky notes, stickers, stamps, and so on. New PDF features. Besides, you can convert any PDF to many other formats, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, CSV, image, etc. You can also organize PDF pages quickly as you desired. It allows you to convert PDF documents to other formats or extensions without losing formats and layouts. It supports converting a single PDF or dozens of PDFs into batches with one click. View PDF. Set page layouts. View PDF documents in a single page view, two-page view, scrolling, or two-page scrolling. Dark mode. Enhance the reading experience without putting up pressure on the user's eyes. Navigate PDF page. Add bookmarks to your PDF to navigate the page quickly. Search for specific text across them in UPDF while viewing documents. Multi-tab viewability. Set up multiple tabs across UPDF to view PDFs in a single instant. Slideshows. Endure the perfect slideshow experience under a coupled reading aura. Annotate PDF. Add comments to PDF. Make comments in PDF documents, including highlighting, underlining, strikeout text, text boxes, sticky notes, etc. Add stamps and stickers. Add hundreds of various stamps and stickers to your PDF. Create a custom stamp in any section of the document. Add signatures. Draw a handwritten signature or type in an electronic signature to PDF. Insert shapes. Insert various shapes into your PDF, such as rectangles, ovals, arrows, and lines. Edit the properties of the shapes by changing their style, thickness, border, and fill colors and opacity. Share annotated PDF via a link. Share the annotated PDF via a link after the completion of the requested task. The recipient can view, copy, download, or print the PDF without downloading any PDF software. Edit PDF. Add, delete, edit PDF text. Easy to add new text. Copy, cut, paste, and delete text. And edit PDF text properties, such as font, size, color, style, and typeface. Add, remove, edit image. Quickly add a new image from your device. Easily remove images and crop, extract, replace, rotate, and move images quickly. Convert PDF. PDF to many other formats. Convert PDF to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, CSV, image PNG, JPEG, BMP, GIF and TIFF, text, RTF, HTML, XML, and PDF. AI-powered OCR technology transform image-based or scanned PDF files into searchable or editable PDF files with OCR. Organize PDF. Quickly add or delete PDF pages. Quickly insert blank pages. Add pages from other PDF files or remove unwanted pages from your PDF by selecting and deleting them. Rotate pages. Rotate or turn a page left or right and get consistent and tidy PDF files. Rearrange PDF pages. Quickly reorder your PDF pages by selecting the thumbnail and dragging it to its new position. Crop pages. Crop one or multiple pages in size as you desired. Split, replace, or extract pages from PDF. Effortlessly split a PDF into multiple individual PDFs by page number. Extract any page or set of pages from a PDF document. Replace pages with other PDF pages with one click. Alert: most deals are out of stock within a week of coming to AppSumo, so take it now if you need it. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to UPDF today. One-time purchase of $45 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.